Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 26th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 25 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now the question says how many terms of the series, by the way, this question was from CBSE 2005. Okay, so an important pattern of questions to know. Focus hard. How many terms of the series be taken so that their sum is 513? Okay, how many terms of the series be taken so that their sum is 513? Now remember that the formula for the sum of a series is Sn is equal to n upon 2, and this is 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is the formula, and this formula is also written as n upon 2 and the first term plus the last term. Okay, I will highlight the formula for your reference here. I'll highlight the formula. Remember the formula really well. Okay, now back to the pen. Now, how many terms of the series should be taken so that their sum is 513? In this question, Sn is equal to 513 is already given to us. Okay. Also, A, the value of A is 54, that is also given, and the value of D is minus 3, that you can make out. 51 minus 54 is minus 3. So we have to find the value of N actually. Okay, so A, D, and Sn we know. We have to find the value of N. Let's plug in the values here. Okay, so what we get is n upon 2 multiplied by 2a, that is 108, plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, that is minus of 3, is equal to 513, and this becomes equal to n multiplied by 108 minus of 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 1026. Okay, and solving this I get 108n minus of 3n square plus of 3n is equal to 1026. Okay, and solving this, what I get is 108n plus, so this becomes 111n minus 3n square is equal to 1026. Slightly rearranging the terms so that I get 3n square minus of 111n plus 1026 is equal to 0. Now, if I divide the whole thing by 3, I get n square minus 37n plus 3 3s are 9, 4, 2 equal to 0. Now, this is the quadratic equation that we have to solve. This is n square minus 18n minus 19n plus 342 equal to 0, and this becomes n into n minus 18 minus of 19 into n minus 18 equal to 0, and this is equal to n minus 18 multiplied by n plus n minus 19 is equal to 0. So the value of n is 18 or n is 19. So we're getting two possible values of n, which is n is equal to either 18 or n is equal to 19. And the question also says the explain the double answer. Okay. Now remember this always, that whenever you have a series that is reducing, okay, whenever you have a series that is reducing, you may either have the 18th term as something and the 19th term is equal to 0. Okay, 19th term could be 0. So the sum of the 18th term as well as the 19th term will be the same because your 19th term is 0. Sometimes also what happens is you can also get that, say, the 14th term, sum of the 14th term and the sum of the 18th term is 0 because the sum of the next four terms is 0. Okay, so you can get that the sum of the first 14 terms and sum of the first 18 terms are the same. You can also get this because it's a reducing series, and at one point the series will cross from positive to negative, and when the series crosses from positive to negative, the sum of some terms will become 0, hence the double answer. Okay, in this case the double answer is because if you check, the 19th term of the sequence is going to be 0. How do I know that the 19th term is 0? Because the series begins at 54. The series begins at 54, and at every term it keeps on reducing by 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, so the 18th term is going to be 3 and the 19th term is going to be 0. So you take the sum of the series till the 18th term, or whether you take the sum of the series till the 19th term, it is going to make no difference. And this was the solution to the question. Okay, so n could be 18 or n could be 19. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions for you, shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.